Pokemon card opening.
Okay, we have now Sidra, Golbat, Pammy Turgot, Evengong, Slipper, Kiridon, Nymphia. We have here Hollow Tewon Kiridon and a Broom and or Broom EX. Interesting. So we have Temisro, Absol, Tigormo, Sunblock. We have Miramon, Telben, Telbil, Trinyan, Sasulbok, Crobat. Ooh, speaking of, we have Puksungakdong EX. Oh, speaking of, sana kompleto ko yung apat na to. So ito yung nandito sa tapat na to eh.